pese wo hwe dwumade ne live obeba YouTube na oba YouTube Nhyira TV or YouTube wo ba no subscribe na wa share na wo comment e dey ato ase na in the course of the show you be kind am na bibia kama e dey amount na mama from to him say weekend we no your matches pia eba so the top 5 measure European leagues na the thing say wo call oman from say Spain La Liga matches eba so this weekend na matches eba so La Liga no anu shepa say Madrid for asase e twawata enye nze kura na nyame yanduma the thing say matches eba so na the thing say Andra Estadio di La Catuja yenya team from say Real Betis Elfie wom ene Real Madrid eba 1-1 draw na Madrid game Andra eba so ewa we no eye Vinicius Junior ene di cash first goal ene ma Real Madrid and son of former Arsenal wom player na fen Heta Bellerin eba take an ene ma Real Betis ama says hey akofa sembebre ede aba na di kama me Felan Mendy woni Abrante first Anthony na we ena Madrid for no wom e complain Madrid for ni gidi e pass go na Abrante na first Heta Bellerin wo chen omuni problem ni mo problem ene say ansana ball no ebe tonet no Abrante first Anthony wo foul Felan Mendy entina e was refra je first Soto Grado wo je foul ene teama je from Real Madrid ni mo ref no anye foul am fama Real Madrid na de Madrid for no say e twa omunsu mu kra no Brahim Diaz ball no enu so nie we shot Brahim Diaz wo boy na shot on target and a ball Real Betis different about konsa referee say wo je penalty enye ye Madrid for no bruta na Madrid for no say sad time when I ball player insano reference Soto Grado what just 12 seconds and of course a review VAR na VAR ref no Pablo Gonzalez Fortes one also 12 seconds et Madrid for say and no man see no and comply with FIFA rules on handball et omagituma enye and no some kakra e free Real Madrid woman say eba we at time at Madrid omo game no Madrid players and our show no Abrante fence Trent Alexander-Arnold and a koto one. We will say Jude Bellingham and around seven say Antonio Rudiger one also the order in Sagulity and Eduardo Camavinga one also butuo and the Andra Abraham reference Soto Grado we born a final whistle no na Madrid players no I devastated na had new pa na Avalo Abelua was say Andra and no man is see no what jene one tears here it's a Felan Mendy ne born de na a foul na according to Avalo Abelua was a problem no every referee Soto Grado na sometimes ayana referees no omuni madwuma eno Avalo Abelua anno nsem kakra wodi tuja na Avalo Abelua wo shepa wonim se Madrid wo season no Xabi Alonso ena chance na Alonso about 34 matches wo win 24 wo lose 6 ena wo draw 4 Avalo Abelua eba ye no wo about 23 games wo win 14 wo lose 7 ena wo draw 2 chance Madrid come say woman a mistake say manager Jefferson Xabi Alonso woman pamon emane koye na yeka Alonso once no wonim say the last 10 matches are Madrid abo e La Liga no Nhyira Madrid e consider goal na the last 10 matches e La Liga no e 13 goals and Madrid o ma consider the second in the history of Real Madrid where for the first time since 2004 Madrid about 10 matches in a row e La Liga no Nhyira amo consider go now the last time ABC no na May 2004 and the manager Carlos Queiroz we hear somehow it's say Ghana your manager say yakofa no ono and yes how record no e team je from Real Madrid and am payere unsem e ma telephone e show no so na Andra Avalo Abelua unim say your program no ni post match interview akoye no just 3 minutes e no kodi na 3 minutes edu baby na Avalo Abelua bofu esansamcheri bako ekobisa ne say was squad a wode buy no yehu dan Ceballos wom na Ceballos empry na manager edienti and one first dan Ceballos am fanan kan Avalo Abelua say ono players biana wo ba select Real Madrid biano e na player kro no wo select ne se wo meboa ama Madrid modern bono enko kama na chese manager na e pa chese what is Dani Ceballos e kan wa e na ne modern bono e form eno e avalo abelua na andro e na Kylian Mbappe after say of Paris Saint-Germain about Real Madrid no wo bon 100 game e ma Real Madrid na Mbappe enye game no e 81st minute e na Mbappe was signal say uniform wapra na yameme say kan say Mbappe wakonya muscle overload na a hamstring injury na Mbappe wakonya e woni nan bonkum no nyame aduma ene na Mbappe ekwakoya test na omahwe the extent of injury abrantia e first Kylian Mbappe enya e Real Madrid ni manager first avala belu ase boy epra nemum onim say obatena fie ache ana say on tena fie enche nyame adum na ene wo koya test ni wi a ena se Mbappe kubetima to aso this season and Real Madrid and I say on team to aso and I avalo abelua na Hector Bellerin and on a take an animal Real Betis wouldn't say omuye game no post match interview Hector Bellerin say and I say around first Hector Bellerin was say young fan to obianim say won say avalo abelua e complaini nimum do betimi akacha ne say incident na o complaini no omusu enya bi nimum referee anje na enu ne Bon ebo abrantia fansa Brahim Diaz sensa e penalty box num referee Soto Grado wanye eti Hector Bellerin say e sa na bot here at times ubetimi anase at times ebetimi akwama ebi so enkwama enti say ankwama wa e wo say uyedi eno e Hector Bellerin ensem kaka odi tuja na wonim say Andra wo mo program na amokọ no wey e Madrid players no wo mo free stadium na amokọfro amo bands akono wey e Madrid supporters masa anda Europa na yebenya supporters ni bia wo se Madrid players no wo mo shame na semu sradienti na mo kono mo de monim atetetete na oba Real Madrid na wo yam ehye sedia am se supporters no wo mo dwuma won tia se wo de entie anda Madrid supporters e was Sevilla de Okay, we dey trust with a voice near radio. You don't want some amateur for na el short so and no air kakre fro be na no pay no.
Yeah, it's not my place to say.
Okay, we dey trust we na your first stories ni bi telephone na e show no so enti eno ayensem kakra andra esi e Stadio de la Catuja ena no pay de wonsem telephone na e show no so wonim se me kasanyame adoma ena team from se Barca wo mo ebo mu game no na Barca game eba so e Stadio Coliseum Afonso Perez no se nyame adom na Barca etimi awini game na e kire se La Liga wo mbetwem 11 points na chese enkopem be se third mayor El Clasico Ebaso El Spotify company no na ebia Barca team no wo ma La Liga ndada ekoba ne sa e wo Real Madrid wo mo ye guard of honor and ma Barca team no e ha dwuni ye panemom sia na asie eno oye kakra na no pay no ye de won sam emetifo nyina e show no so na nyame ya doma sere America no ene ye wo match sa Ebaso e wo La Liga no e bo 2:15 p.m. e wo Estadio Coliseum Afonso Perez Hetafe e ofie wo mo ene Barca ene bo and which is 7 o'clock p.m. Atletico Madrid, Gomatinefie, El Civitas Metropolitano Stadium, Womobo Athletic Club de Bilbao, Yami Adma Ochina, Rayo Vallecano, Ebo Real Sociedad, na Villarreal, Woman Celta de Vigo game Abaso, we are notable matches, we can do Abaso, El La Liga Nano Pino, Yere update MT for El Shonoso, na so a Barca, and a Dick El La Liga table so, na Barca El 82 points, and watch Real Madrid, El Tosimiano. wɔn 74 yɛ Villarreal ɔmo tɔ so mmiɛnsa wɔn 62 Atletico Madrid tɔ so 9 wɔn 57 ɛna Real Betis ɛtɔ so enum a wɔn nso ɛwɔ 50 points na Pichichi ɛyɛ top scorer ɛwɔ Spain na okɔ La Liga ne ma ɛyɛ Kylian Mbappe ɛna di kan wɔhyɛ 24 goals ɛno akyi Vadat Morogi ɛwɔ 21 yɛwɔ Lamine Yamal ɛna afei Ant Budimir wɔn nyinaa ahyɛ 16 goals afei Ferran Torres ɛwɔ 14 goals Vinicius Junior ahyɛ 13 Robert Lewandowski ɛna afei Mikel Oyarzabal wɔn nyinaa ahyɛ 12 goals apiece ɛna no pay no yɛre update ɛmɛtie fo nyinaa ɛwɔ show no so afei yɛn free ɔmayɛ from Spain na yɛn toa so ɛwɔ France na ɔkɔ French Liga no ma deɛ ten sɛ matches ɛba so weekend way na andro yɛnya Brest ɛwɔ fie wɔn ne Lens ɛbɔ 3-3 nyame yɛ adwuma ɛnɛ Saturday ɛna afei wɔkyerɛ Sunday notable matches are Eba so French League no 1 o'clock PM and Olympic Lyon Elfie Womobo Ozel and watch Angers Eba Trefie 5 o'clock PM woman Paris Saint-Germain and Ebo after Toulouse Elfie Womobo AS Monaco Yami Aduma and then 7:05 PM and a game Eba so after Yami Aduma Ochina Sunday Olympic Marseille Elfie Womobo Tima ya from say OGC Nice still a Paris Saint-Germain and a decline French League table so almost 66 points and watch Lens at Tosumiano almost 63 after Olympic Lyon woman Tosumian almost 54 and after Tosunaya woman so 54 points now the 10 top scoring chart French Ligue no Esteban Lepo and Edikai or 17 goals Joaquin Panichili 16 Yo Messi Greenwood or 15 goals Elson Edward 12 after Ferran Balengu one also 12 goals Ubenya Pavel Soch or 11 goals after Bradley Bakola Wesley Said Florent Tovan and Ousmane Dembele women asha 10 goals apiece and on the pay they want them MT for El Shono so after Yanko Ilie na uko Italia the tennis weekend way Italian Serie A matches Emerson Anwashi a match week 34 na Eshasia every Andra Friday na Diego Armando Maradona Stadium Andra yenya the Patanopis of Napoli Elfie woman share 4 Emma Cremonense woman Entimante na the tennis Scott McTominay and a share first goal and man Napoli after Abrante fans Terrenciano and the on goal about second goal and man Napoli Emma Calvin De Bruyne about third goal Ansana Alexis Santos and the fourth goal and so Emma Napoli at the Anna Napoli team no Elfie woman share 4 Emma Cremonense woman Entimante Mama Calvin De Bruyne Andra was 100th league goal the top 5 measure European leagues now ever since Calvin De Bruyne every Belgium about the top 5 measure European leagues no what the kind about Chelsea and Sana Oko Wolfsburg or Germany or about Manchester City and I say we see a kind of Napoli na matches our ball any teams our ball in our league no and a Calvin De Bruyne was 100th league goal and De Bruyne about Juma pa and yan some keto kran and yami aduma and about 4 o'clock PM Bologna about Trefi or a stadio anase a stadio Renato da Ara woman AS Roma and ebo yami aduma otina your Torino 4 o'clock PM woman Inter Milan after AC Milan big game woman Trefi or Giuseppe Meazza Stadium 6:45 PM woman Juventus yami aduma Monday 4:30 PM Cagliari Calcio Elfie amone Atalanta and ebo na fe SS Lazio Atrefi na amone Udinese Calcio game abaso na still Inter and the kind Italy na Inter Milan team no 78 points after Napoli etosumienu woman 69 AC Milan tosumiensa woman 66 and after Juventus team no woman tosu enaya almost 63 na Capo Cannonieri top scorer Italy uko Italy their team Lautaro Martinez and the kind was 16 goals Nico Pass 12 after Marcus Thuram one Anastasios Dovikas woman na asha 11 goals apiece after your Nico and I say around TFS Nikola Krovic after Kenan Yildiz Rasmus Højlund your Donnell Malen and after Kenan Davies woman so asha 10 goals and none of payade on them Emma Tiafonia El Shone so afe yemfona yen toso El Germany na oko Bundesliga nima andra Friday El Red Bull Arena yenya RB Leipzig ofie wo hemiensa Emma Union Berlin wo entmante nyame adma ene era for china Sunday notable matches are eba so El German Bundesliga nima no ene 1:30 p.m. 2 games FC Cologne eba tenafie El Rhein Energy Stadion wo mene Bayern Munich enebo eno achi Mainz 05 anase omene Bayern 05 Leverkusen rather na Mainz 05 atnafie Miwa Arena na omane Bayern Munich game abaso nyame adma ochina Stuttgart ebo Werder Bremen 1:30 p.m. na 3:30 p.m. Borussia Dortmund Signal Iduna Park woman Freiburg enebebo na anasetima Jafram Bayern woman de kind Germany na Bayern Munich team no 79 points Borussia Dortmund etosumi no 64 RB Leipzig etosumi nsa 62 and after Stuttgart toso enaya 56 points na top scoring chart Germany Hurricane Edikan or 32 goals Dennis Undaf etosumi no 18 goals Luis Diaz 15 Seru Goransi as 14 goals yo Christopher Bungatna and wachi arantie fese Michael Olise Jan Diomande and after Andre Kramaric woman na as 12 goals and no payere won sempina Emma Tiafonia El Shone so after yenye matches now England na over Premier League nima the tense Andra Friday Stadium of Light surprisingly under Sunderland Elfie woman so 5-0 and my west side you're from Nottingham Forest na Amantia first Holmes about first goal and my Nottingham Forest na a on goal after Chris Wood at the second goal ever so Emma Morgan Gibbs White about third goal I go Jesus about fourth goal Ansana Elliot Anderson at the fifth goal as also at the man Nottingham Forest na nyame aduma and Saturday the tense early kickoff 11:30 am and anopaya Fulham Craven Cottage woman Aston Villa enable after Liverpool Anfield woman Crystal Palace na yen say Liverpool team no a person mo qualify for nyame aduma next season UEFA Champions League woman Crystal Palace we are woman ko away Old Trafford woman Man United enable yente Ancelotti one and manager at Liverpool manager say focus Crystal Palace we are Ancelotti.
Of course, there are conversations going on about next season, but my complete focus is and still should be on this season because margins are small. 1 or 2 results can make a big difference, as we saw, because I think 2 weeks ago we weren't 5 points clear of the number 6, and 2 results later we are. So it can also go both ways. So my full focus is on Palace.
Okenti we Liverpool manager Ancelotti and our tenant cancer or Casano na nyame aduma and West Ham United our London Olympic Stadium woman Everton enable Wolverhampton Wanderers Molineux woman Tottenham Hotspur na 4:30 p.m. Emirates the tense the Gunners Arsenal fear woman Newcastle United enable na yen say weekend we Man City woman game woman FA Cup and nyame aduma Arsenal esha woman top Premier League table so na Mikel Arteta Arsenal manager and no manager no the pre-match press conference about no wakasa yenti Arsenal one manager Mikel Arteta
win tomorrow, game 1 win, and then we will be much closer.
Do you have that? What's the belief in your supercomputer saying?
On the computer, I have belief in our players, in our people, and the willingness that we have to achieve what we want. 2 big competitions to play for, and everything to play for. I mean, if somebody would have told us at the beginning of the season, we would have taken it, and we are so excited. And tomorrow is game 1.
Okenti we Arsenal manager fence Mikel Arteta and I would take Arteta and Kasa say wo gidie e woni place nim se nyame aduma wo mo be share e tia Newcastle United and no manager your fence Mikel Arteta and I would take nkano na nyame aduma Monday 7:00 p.m. Old Trafford Manchester United ofie wo mo Brentford enable na still Man City and the Premier League table so City 70 points Arsenal etosumi no wo mo so our 70. Your Man United, Omotosumiansa, 58 points. Aston Villa Tosso 9, 58. And Liverpool, Atosu Enuma, woman so our 55 points. Now we say Chelsea, away. Chelsea, Atosu Wache, 48 points. Now at the Panyaze, when we say top scoring chart, Premier League, Ellen Haaland, Eddie Kine, was 24 goals. Hugo Thiago, Eboma Brentford, or 21 goals. Antoine Semenyo, 15. Your Joao Pedro, was 14 goals. After Danny Welbeck, 13. Morgan Gibbs White, 13. Victor Jokeres, 12 goals. Hugo Ekitike, and Oli Watkins, woman in so, woman Asayla Minkosa, and Anna Payade Wonsem, Emma Tifonia El Shono, live on Isha 104.5 FM. After Young Trustway, now young fast stories Libby, Emma Tifonia El Shono, now Mami Lami Yamai, Esan said the month of April, Spanish La Liga, Lami Yama, one of energy best player, you said Lami Yama April, the season, our bansa, over, Nemum according to the tennis La Liga for no woman say Lami Yama one and vote as player of the month April and none pay no jere won sem emetifonya show so na nyame aduma sama will be any se bansa ebeto striker na bansa number 1 target Julian Alvarez wasina kan anima Atletico Madrid na Ambra yesi Julian Alvarez ne family womo travel eko Barcelona na bansa na omukọ en omukopedan eno na ma speculation Abasenie, se bansa for no, woman shall say any Julian Alvarez, Edin Kumo Esanse Bueno, a Madrid and what inti Enyankwa, Senabusia for Ebeco Bansa, and I say Barcelona, say Omoko Pedai, a Chese and Kumodie, and shall say El Cosu El Sumase, a Tibasa for one woman see Julian Alvarez, Kianaki, a dare, I was say Omoto, Nanameka FA Cup on one some Ediacho, a semi final and a weekend way, Everso England and a mountain so, now a Wembley and a 2 games in Everso. Yamiya Duma and at 4:15 p.m. Yabenya the Sky Blues of Man City. Woman and Southampton and Ebo. Nothing Yamiya Duma Ochina 2:00 p.m. Over the same venue. Wembley, Chelsea, Ebo Leeds United. Mami Pep Guardiola, where manager and the Sky Blues of Man City. Manager say Peso Omowene Eritia Southampton. Wakasai Pa Unze say Man City team no already. Woman the can't EFL Cup. 1% Omode Yakan say FA Cup also. Now Premier League Kobanisa Man City ebaji domestic and I say domestic trouble at the SCM also Yintia City one boss Pep Guardiola.
Yeah, and I think games unbeaten, able to knock out Fulham and Arsenal, so speak for itself. So good rhythm, yeah, great opportunity to get the final. Living day by day. No, it's not. Records are numbers. Means how fine we have been. Oh, we are and will be. So that is the point. So no, I would wake up in the morning and think, we won what we won, make me that day happier. No, it's what happened, and now we have opportunity, play semi-final Wembley again, and try in a few weeks, reach the final.
Okay, where Pep Guardiola manager and Mother Sky Blues of Man City and I'll tell you guys, JVCBNS, name of Yami Admochina, Wembley, I guess Hampton, team from Man City, one episode of winning game, I know, Pep Guardiola, nine Medicandia told him that, say Chelsea, one more Leeds United, Mama Callum McFarlane, where under 20, one more coach out Chelsea, name of Yanim say Chelsea team, no, one more Sake, a manager, Jafan Liam Rossinia. It's just an interim manager at Chelsea, Callum McFarlane. Now, Andra McFarlane, the first press conference ever so now manager Akasapa. Now, Callum McFarlane say Chelsea, quality players. Now, quality players are Kuta Chelsea say no, Jobetimaka, and they say, Enzo Fernandez. Pedro Neto, Joao Pedro, women are best players. Now, what me fix you right position. The Tibiano, one many games at the amount. Now, chase a manager and purchase a Liam Senior day. Now, obo players out of position and Sam Kakra, manager and Tuja. Now, Callum McFarlane, at was a Palmer, a top talent, were super talented. Now, Palmer, a bit my decided gamer, a big game. Watch us a bono when you bought in nti one of the idea ba cobra so ye and say odi ko Palmer ebo the right position say be ya wantima nche go kura na what the creativity ebo Chelsea ne final pass ebetima obi ahye eno Callum McFarlane and some kaka odi tuja na ombu sanse William Estevao boy na won some at say Callum McFarlane say Estevao William season Chelsea over and ombu sanse boy no wetimi akọ World Cup na according to Chelsea wom interim manager no was say one to be honest won't me enka say Estevao William ever World Cup and I say on World Cup nemo boy ni plano hupa na Estevao William Jeremy second say oba travel e dey akọ Brazil ho and wa question rehabilitation I say e dey free na when Chelsea medical doctors no e di nkomo ni entourage no na busuafo omone Chelsea medical doctors no e di nkomo ama Chelsea atiase se boy no e betima travel e dey akọ Brazil na boy no empese obey surgery where surgery a chese World Cup want me enkobi eti boy no empese okọ World Cup ba wokoba na fei where surgery eno William Estevao update kakra efi na so eba na ye ka Brazil ene wo squad won sem no je me second say nyame aduma 18th May Rio de Janeiro and manager fan say Carlo Ancelotti what in the final squad of Brazil womo de call World Cup ebeba na almost a Museo di Amanha Rio de Janeiro and as announcement in ebeba na chese one team di onkobi we e baby announcement in ombe na name ade hwekwe de ade obekobi essence place e prapa ebasa e man name ho akonya say ono so ebeko World Cup na yenko Inter Milan Mama Manuel Akanji where Man City player okobo loan and ma Inter Milan Jamen second say Inter for no womo gidi e pass boy ne buy no ne money bo answani enti ombeto nyame aduma e mei and ombe formalize deal no na 50 million euros at the Man City na Swiss defender your friend Manuel Akanji was stay at the Inter Milan and now pay that one sem team for in El Show so now already European some dada such Chelsea asake omo manager na why and a Chelsea manager and when nam tintan video so I ngoja woman the manager bia to Rubin amarum say eh mu de say Chelsea ko legacy ko amope na manager over Manchester United ya hu na siro be si twa watahye ye na mo de nebra Chelsea manager we dey ne yedai nem against supporters union gidi pass manager we dey say wo ba Chelsea obetima yadwuma ne kama nem Chelsea yempe na Frank Lampard what he can be coach Chelsea pay 2 times Barca as permanent manager Barca as interim manager was a legend and my Chelsea where all-time top scorer and my Chelsea Frank Lampard say I make say no one in a head coach and my Coventry City after 25 years what my championship and a Premier League when we say Frank Lampard say Chelsea adwuma na beto na we nya bayana Frank Lampard say Chelsea mu business one also any business do betima kan e dey check Coventry City wo mo fans ne say emebo bibia nso nemum do betima kan say ono na adwuma na oye no when you control e when adwuma so na cheze utie Frank Lampard samana wakana say ebia Chelsea for na pe na omudi omo nkomo yi a ebia omo sa ebetima ka Frank Lampard amana ye na ye ka managers a ometimi abaya adwuma anema Chelsea no ukokoma Chelsea wo former player fans have says Fabregas wo ye adwuma pa na says Fabregas komo wo president e Mewan Suwansu we Japani na one ya president anema komo na me kai part time Inter Milan manager Francis Simone Inzaghi woko Al Hilal El Saudi Arabia e koba se Inter wo e manager no e ba se Inter e Fabregas e ma president ya e be kan se enya dia wo be jai ama manager Francis Fabregas akọ nemum andra wo ko bi san se yes Chelsea wo se omunya Fabregas a wo pe na presido wo ni sai wo be jam na kwa na president ne se wo mu si Fabregas kwan na se eno ene ma Fabregas na ni agya ende ombeye e de amano en aye komo president a ye fan se me one suwaso en sam kakra odi tuja na says Fabregas yenim se komo team no weekend we omo kwa we wo me January enebo anwa ne premier press conference e ba so no wo mu sa Fabregas ye se Chelsea epel na anya bia no obetena ana se obekọ Fabregas e crazy se obetinke samre se opese ofree team je from se komo na aka 5 matches el Serie A opese odi komo I qualify for Europe. Now qualify for Europe here. And Abia obetimi. I'm going to say Abia be free. I'm a free como. And I say on free como. Now the betimaka and say the president means someone kind one teshe. Now who must say be name of the president? I can't say of value or no manager first says Fabregas and until J say Otina or como and not Fabregas and some cacao the tuja. Now my Manchester United woman captain first Bruno Fernandes this season the money was 20 pounds and say Man United started season na enoma ensira enkoye no na andra woni BBC edin komo woni former Manchester United wo player first Wayne Rooney and edin komo na edi kan Bruno Fernandes say one of the still when so our Manchester United and say obaji Premier League obaji Champions League and dan adwum na the ono Bruno Fernandes wo betimi aka and say Sanu ma wenyina no waje ababu amane career no bibia kama ediama no na Rooney say opese Bruno Fernandes PFA player of the year na obisa Bruno Fernandes say ope na Bruno Fernandes say a privilege edema no say san komodi we kra ne diwom na ebe unbelievable achievement ediama ono Bruno Fernandes say obaji PFA player of the year esa say oba Manchester United no wanje sa award bi pen enti waje na ni baje pa na Bruno Fernandes say nyame adoma World Cup Portugal ekono womani swadi hu bakope womo ko rape World Cup no edema Cristiano Ronaldo na omonji efoma Portugal man nko a womo ji edema Cristiano Ronaldo essence enoma Ronaldo aye our football no what deserve say oje World Cup we United captain Bruno Fernandes.
Wrapping up all this last World Cup with Cristiano, winning it will be something amazing, and I really hope that we can make that not just for Portugal but for everything that Cristiano gave to football in Portugal and to the world. I think will be a very nice way to end this season.
Okay, Manchester United captain Bruno Fernandes and our ten Casa or Casano. Now you say no Manchester United captain Bruno when you offer Eddie free Saudi Arabia and my boy decided say only baby uncle what Manchester United. Now Andra Ombisa Bruno said DNT and a secretary DSA Amba now decided say what Manchester United. Bruno Fernandes say Santana Manchester United woman struggle pa now we're captain and my United and he want me say United extra go now a job hako and and our try say about contributing and Manchester United and toss me no sikan a huge name of Nhyira ebusan say what you dream in area there ubetimi akwa Saudi Arabia and no Bruno and said abi and no person or yeah Manchester United no wonya enye na ono Bruno Fernandes Nhyira ene ma womo empese ombaya sika for e wiase name one person achieve dream and Bruno Fernandes and some kaka andra what the tuja Antonio Conte Napoli says when you Lukaku echepa na you say Lukaku ni Conte there and omo kapaisan say Romelu Lukaku and Roma Anko Chelsea Antonio Conte da Roma and Gino Inter Milan says wasa Gino team from Napoli na on say Lukaku eko prai ema Napoli fono ema ko Belgium say onko rehabilitation actually Napoli ekase on Samra Lukaku decide say omba na de me second say Lukaku afei de empanifo ene ne kasa emane bai na oba Napoli omutuni grounds no wo be share Napoli sporting director ya fese Giovanni Mana na ya se be meeting ekos no ben Antonio Conte office wonu say Lukaku we meeting no enkakocha manager krai wan kokra eno tunu kapua eno sakọ Belgium Antonio Conte say we disappointed pa na enumanasi no wagene wa wantiase at least na e was Romelu Lukaku ebechia no na me office be say modin komanyi heavy bechia manager na kwa wantima mechia mti Antonio Conte say wadi abrantia fese Lukaku na ho ya oye pa e wo Napoli na no pai yara wonsam emetie fo na e show no so na William Saliba e center back e ma Arsenal yenim say edubabi na Arsenal team no woma twin 12 points say ometima je Premier League say omatra transfer ama Man City abesa omo William Saliba say matches na akaro e do or die mission e wo say omu pitch ne so na de betima ka eni say obi anta omachi fans no team no technical staff will be on fan pipe ball enter Arsenal players na chi na omo the second atota so say this season omo gia e be special pa nemu so omo ntima ya aye too late enti e wo second na ke Arsenal omo di Premier League no e di si omo na so eno oye William Saliba en some kakra odi tuja na ukọ Chelsea yes Chelsea manager na omo pe no yes internal Chelsea for say manager kro no say oye adwuma na say oye adwuma de am say two managers eno mu din beba either say Cesc Fabregas and say Julian Nagelsmann ebia is how two managers yi na Chelsea for ebia wo pese omo form say managers na abane de dodo na atifi two managers yi wo mo na ebia Chelsea eba appoint omo as omo next manager Jimmy Carragher former Liverpool wo mo player Liverpool age Champions League 2004 and I say 2005 rather edi tia AC Milan Atatürk Stadium Turkey no na Jimmy Carragher ka Jimmy Carragher say enoma na ekoso Chelsea no nkomodia enkoye na omo run day to day affair Kobam no omo ena say Chelsea mpani for no ene omo konate na omo di nkomo esense omo ene nim say best player nie we ene bobo we enya de nti san nkomodie ne koso dia ebia Chelsea omo future ebe sesa eno Jimmy Carragher ensem kakra ode atujo na no pay no yere wonsem emetiefo nyina e show no so Gabi.
Well, okay. Ani Costa yanase say we dey akọ Nkrofama so no pay we di Japan in fact update no so ye kama enti money adwuma well I was here Nhyira Power Sports esu eni